Greetings! So over the course of ownership of the Fiesta ST, I did a whole bunch of mods, and now that I've got the RS, I thought to myself, what mods could be transferred? Obviously, the answer is not very much, but there's 3 really quick, really easy, really simple mods that can be. So let's get started. First up is the oil cap. Now, I'm not even really sure if this counts as a mod because it's so darn simple, but I have the really nice red anodized aluminium Boomba racing oil cap. So we just pull it out of the Fiesta. Jump over to the RS, very simple, twist off. In with the Boomba. Job's a good one. Okay, now we find ourselves inside the Fiesta ST, so the second quick easy mod that is transferable to the Focus RS is the gear knob. So I have the nice bright yellow Mountune gear knob. Not everyone likes the bright yellow, I think it's super sweet. Really easy, just grip and twist. And eventually it comes right off. So now we'll just magic ourselves into the Focus. Oh, and we are inside the Focus all of a sudden. So we just get a good grip of this knob. This knob has never been off before, so it might be a little bit stiffer, if you know what I mean. So firm grip, and there we go. And just the same, twists right off. Just be careful with the little spring in there. Leave that in place. Then we do ye oldie switcheroo. Just locate the threads, twist it on, get it nice and tight. Job done. So third and final quick easy transferable mod for now is the Sparco stubby antenna. So very similar to the gear knob, we just grip it and twist it off. Of course, being very careful not to drop it on the roof. And that's it. So now we need to get the stock antenna off of the Focus. Grip and twist. One thing to note before we put the stubby Sparco antenna onto the Focus from the Fiesta used this connector. It's the same size on both ends to go in here and to go into the car, but the Focus requires a larger connection, which is this. So we're going to get that in right now, even though it's just started raining. Bloody hell. Just screw it in and screw the antenna on. Once it's nice and tight, that's it. Okay, so there were 3 really quick, easy, no money spent mods that we could transfer from the Fiesta to the Focus. So that's it, thank you so much for watching. I'm going to get out of this rain, which has just randomly started. Please do like, share and subscribe for more content to come very soon. Goodbye.